guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't talked to you in a while. I mentioned the word already twice, right? That's crazy. Anywho, I feel like I forgot how to film. It's been a while, I know. I just want to apologize for all this time that I waited so long to film a video, but I am gonna come back with more video. But today I'm just gonna do like a quick mini vlog. I want to show you guys, because you know I'm gonna do an unboxing, and let me show you guys what I got in the mail, actually package. And I want to show you guys what I got, and when the finished look comes out together, I will show you how everything will turn out. So let me show you guys what I got. It just came in right now, and it's a package. I ordered a dresser on Amazon, so if you are interested, I will put the link on the bottom on the description box. That is the dresser. I'm very surprised that it came in this box, even though you see the size. I mean, the box is not really, it is big and heavy, but it's not as big when you think it's a dresser. And I ordered some legs, because you know every dresser comes with the legs, so I ordered some a leg because I wanted something vintage look. So let me show you guys the legs that I ordered. So look at the legs. It's this one right here. Look how pretty it is. It's like a gold finish, and it goes like this, like that. So it kind of gonna make the dresser look a little vintage. But anyway, I will show you guys how everything will look once everything is put together. Here are some of the pieces of the dresser, and they actually come with this. This is pretty good. You could put this on inside the drawers, but this is some of the part of the dresser that you have to build. So I will show you guys later everything. So here is the leg that it came in with, and I'll show you guys the gold one. So let me show you, because I already put the gold ones, and it looks cute. Look at how adorable they look. I like them. They turned out very nice, and it came with their own little screws. So that's just giving you a little idea that you could switch legs of any furniture, of course. Alright guys, so let me show you how my dresser turned out. I show you these little legs that I bought in Amazon. I wanted something gold, kind of like a vintage look. I just want to throw some kind of like little vintage on this dresser. It does comes with the legs. It's wood and kind of like straight, but I wanted this is kind of like that. And I went and go ahead and I ordered the hardware in gold also. And I bought this on Amazon. It does comes with it, and it comes with the hardware. It's kind of like brown, metal brown or something like that, and I didn't want that, so I bought these. And actually it's very nice, and I love the way it turned out. So this is how it looks. I will later on do like a room tour, so I just want to show you only this much. I don't want to show you anything else. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please don't forget to hit that bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. Like I said, I will do a room tour, and I will show you everything else that I ordered and bought for now. And everything that you guys see here, I will put the link on the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. To you guys, love you guys, bye.